Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at how to start an online business in South Africa. If you're looking to enter the entrepreneurial world, then starting a business online is one of the best approaches. The online world offers endless possibilities for business. Most online businesses can also be started relatively easily, with significantly less budget or resources than traditional businesses require. This makes starting an online business a lot more accessible to many people. However, you'll still need to put in the work and take the right steps to set up your business. Regardless of what your business does, here are the basic steps you'll need to take when starting an online business in South Africa. 1. Create a business plan. The first step to starting an online business, or any kind of business, is to create a clear business plan. This should outline exactly what your business will do, how it will operate, and how you will get the business up and running. Think of your business plan as a roadmap to launching your business. An essential part of your business plan is covering what your business will sell and how this will result in a profitable online business. You have two options here: selling products online or selling services online. Both have their pros and cons, and both are suitable for entrepreneurs with different interests. Here are a few common online business ideas you could start. Dropshipping. An e-commerce store. Offering services or consulting online. Working in affiliate marketing. Becoming an influencer. Selling digital products. Consider your skills and interests to find a business model that works best for you. Then create a business plan that outlines your business objectives and overview, financial projections, marketing plan, operational plan, and so on. 2. Perform market research and know your niche. Starting an online business in South Africa offers a lot of opportunities. However, there's also a lot of competition. A key step in starting your business is performing in-depth market research. This should involve researching your competitors, understanding your niche, and establishing what unique value proposition your online business offers. The better you understand the market, the easier it will be to position your business in a unique way. This is important for standing out from the noose and attracting customers. 2. Perform market research and know your niche. Starting an online business in South Africa offers a lot of opportunities. However, there's also a lot of competition. A key step in starting your business is performing in-depth market research. This should involve researching your competitors, understanding your niche, and establishing what unique value proposition your online business offers. The better you understand the market, the easier it will be to position your business in a unique way. This is important for standing out from the noose and attracting customers. 3. Establish a strong online presence. If you're going to start an online business, then you need to have a strong online presence. The first essential step here is to create a website. This is your most valuable online asset. Your website is the first impression most people will have of your business. It's also where you will turn prospects into customers. So ensure your website is professional, easy to navigate, and offers high-quality content. You'll also want to establish a presence across other online channels, like social media and online business directories. This will make it easier for people to discover your online business and establish trust in it. 4. Get your business set up and compliant. Once you have your operational plan in place, you'll need to set your business up. This will involve choosing a business structure, registering your business, and ensuring you meet all of the relevant regulatory requirements. Even though your business is online, you'll still need to be registered for tax and follow any relevant business and labor laws. Make sure you understand the specific business regulations that apply to your industry and business model. Working with a business legal professional and tax consultant is always a good idea, as this will help ensure your business is set up properly. 5. Market your business online. Once you've established your business, you'll need to attract customers. One of the great things about starting an online business is that there are so many opportunities for digital marketing. While there are all kinds of different businesses and business models you can pursue, the steps above will help you get any kind of online business on the right track.